Hello, dear friends. After a short break, I hope 2024 has treated you well and you are looking forward to 2025. I have been traveling and I went to this beautiful place, Pondicherry or Puducherry, the place of Sri Aurobindo and the Mother, the Auroville, the Samadhi, a place of silence and very high energy. A place that brings into your consciousness that we are one and there is no separateness. There is no distinction in culture, creed, caste, color, religion. There is no distinction. We are all one. We feel that consciousness when you visit the Auroville. Do make an opportunity to visit and feel the high energy of the Auroville, the quietness, the silence. I'm sure you would love it. Now the card that has come out today from the Archangel Oracle deck is Archangel Christine. I was simply elated when this card came out. Archangel Christine. Christmas has just gone by and the Christ light has been very powerful on Mother Earth. Now let me tell you who is Archangel Christine and what is her guidance. Archangel Christine is the twin flame of Archangel Jophiel, and she carries the divine light, feminine light of wisdom with loving compassion. This beautiful golden archangel holds and radiates the Christ light. When your crown chakra becomes fifth dimensional, she places a ball of cosmic wisdom into it, infusing the 1,000 petals with light and attracting beautiful energies to you. Archangel Christine is helping those who are in the ascension path now to proceed with wisdom and also to help others on their path. She shares a retreat with Archangel Jophiel. Together, they are beginning to release some of the wisdom held in the land of the East in order to help the planetary ascension. What is the guidance of this card? The guidance is to open up to Archangel Christine and allow her to fill you with the Christ light as well as wisdom. Know that from the moment you invoke her, she starts to pour unconditional love and golden wisdom into you. She helps you to experience everything from an enlightened perspective. Take a moment to feel her energy flowing into your mind and then consciously beam that light you have received to others. Archangel Christine calls on you to approach every person you meet today with wisdom and loving compassion. Notice how they respond to you. In addition, treat situations around you with compassion and love. To the exact extent that you exude wisdom and loving compassion, Archangel Christine will help you to transform your life. Archangel Christine, accept the Christ light, act with wisdom and loving compassion. I hope 2025 is peaceful, healthy, full of love, compassion, and great things happen for you in 2025. May everything that you're going through ease out for you in 2025. May the Divine Mother take care of you. Remember, love is the highest vibration. Take a moment every day to sit in meditation for some time. Meditation can transform your life. I am sending you lots of love and again wishing you a very joyful, peaceful, loving 2025. Take care and I will connect soon.